So, all right, guys, I know you might be facing a problem like this also with your POS terminal device lock issue. So, how to solve it is very simple. How to solve it is very simple. The first thing you need to do is to the first thing you need to do is to tap the screen 7 times. Is to tap the screen 7 times. I'll be tapping it 7 times now. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So once you tap it 7 times, you will see something like this. Um, so you will see something like this. What you need to do first is to press the password, and what you are pressing is one. The password you are going to press is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you are going to click on OK. So then it's going to request for the second password, which is the reverse of the first one, and that will be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you click on OK. This is the second password. You click on OK again. Now the next thing you are looking at is the screen that says activate Wi-Fi settings, whatever. So I'm going to click on activate. So when you click on activate, but you must make sure that your POS is connected to the internet. Do you understand now? Either through hotspot or your SIM. Then you're going to click on OK. The POS is going to restart. So after restarting, you're going to wait for it to restart now. So as you can see, it's working perfectly now. There is no error again. So this error usually occurs whenever maybe your POS fell down, or maybe you're actually tampering with it actually. But most cases is maybe it fell down and something scattered inside it. So before you even start using it, you need to download the keys. So you are going to click on the more, and then you go to admin. Make sure you download the keys before you start using it now. So you click on admin, and then you are going to click on download keys, and then you are going to click on OK. So it's going to download. So after downloading, you will now restart. So dismiss, and then you restart the POS terminal once more. So after restarting, then your POS is good to go. You can start using your POS as you like. So as you can see, our POS terminal is working fine and okay again. So once again, this is Beloved Technology. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, and follow us for more tutorials from us. God bless you. Bye.